Welcome to Integrated Electronics. Today, we're diving into Samtec lineup of high-performance discrete wire microsystems. First up, we have a multicolored power cable configuration featuring distinct red, black, and white wiring with a white multi-pin connector housing. Next, here is a dense, all-black pitch ribbon-style discrete wire assembly, great for compact board-to-board routing. Moving along, we have a smaller, low-pin count black cable with a secure latching mechanism built onto the connector housing. And over here is a classic wide gray flat ribbon cable, standard for reliable, multi-line data transmission. Now let's look at some specific product families. This is the Samtec 1.00mm rugged discrete wire system. It supports 2 through 20 contacts, offers 28 and 30 AWG cable options, and comes with halogen-free Teflon option. Moving on, we have the 2.00mm discrete wire system under the Tiger Eye family. This robust setup supports 5 to 30 positions, features high reliability and high cycle contacts. Next is the incredibly fine 0.80mm Tiger Eye system. It uses rugged Tiger Eye contacts, offers vertical and perpendicular orientations, and provides shrouded, polarized, and discrete wire assemblies in both 2.00mm and 1.27mm pitches. Finally, let's take a look at the 0.50 inches or 1.27mm discrete wire system. It offers anywhere from 3 to 50 positions cable to cable options, single and double rows, and custom configurations to fit your exact engineering needs. Whether you need ultramicro pitches or rugged high-cycle connections, Samtec has a discrete wire solution for your design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.